And here it is, the perfect Turkish milk cake. Look at how the caramel glistens as we cut into this moist, milky slice. If there is one dessert that feels like a hug in a bowl, it is this. Soft, creamy, and soaked in milky goodness. Hello everyone, I'm Chef Hafsa, and today we are making the viral Turkish milk cake, also known as Trilece. It melts in your mouth and the caramel topping, absolute perfection. Let's get baking. First, we make the sponge. The secret to a cloud-like cake is whisking the eggs and sugar until they are pale and fluffy, till it's lovely and thick. When you lift the whisk, the batter should fall slowly in ribbons. See that ribbon texture? That's exactly what we want. Now, sift in your flour and baking powder.
Now we gently fold the dry ingredients into the mixture. This ensures a light and airy texture for our Turkish milk cake.
Gently fold it in. Be nice to your batter. We want to keep all that air inside. First, combine the heavy cream, milk, and condensed milk in a large jug, then whisk thoroughly until fully combined. While the cake bakes, let's make the magic potion. This is a mix of whole milk, sweetened condensed milk for richness, and heavy cream. Whisk it until smooth. Once golden brown, remove the cake from the oven. While it's still warm, use a skewer to poke holes across the top so it absorbs the milk mixture. And cooled slightly. Now, poke holes all over it. This helps the cake drink up all that liquid. We take the cold milk mixture and pour it over the warm cake. As you can see, the sponge absorbs the liquid instantly, making it incredibly moist. Pour the milk mixture all over. It looks like a lot, but trust me, the cake will absorb every single drop. Let this rest in the fridge for at least an hour. We're applying the final layer of whipped cream now. Use an offset spatula to smooth it out evenly across the top and down the sides for a perfect finish. Once the cake is cold, spread a layer of whipped cream on top. Smooth it out nicely. Pipe the cream in thin lines, then take your toothpick and drag it up and down to create this beautiful spiderweb pattern on the caramel. To get that classic Turkish look, pipe thin lines of cream. Then take a toothpick and drag it up. I'm just gonna cut right in here. And as we lift it out, you can see why this Turkish milk cake is so special. The milk just oozes out. And there you have it, the famous Turkish milk cake. It is so light, not too sweet, and that caramel adds the perfect kick. You have to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I'm Chef Hafsa. Thanks for watching. Bye.